Now, here are 5 unusual reasons why you should make your own clothes. Number 1, no one will ever be able to steal your clothes and wear them in public, especially if you make very unique one-of-a-kind pieces. For example, I work mostly with print fabric. I like prints, so I use a lot of African prints and geometric prints. Now, it's impossible for anyone to steal my outfits like this, this, and this. You can't. My designs for myself are very unique to me, to my style. There is Tanzanian fashion designer. She is based in Houston, Texas. In 2018, her luggage got stolen from LAX airport. And fast forward to 2023, I believe, she saw a man named Sam Brinton wearing one of her designs. She saw him wearing it. Now, when she reported the luggage missing, she reported it missing and that the value of the contents of the luggage is up to the tune of $11,000. He was able to provide proof to the police. The fellow was arrested. He pleaded guilty to the charge and wrote a letter of apology. They settled for an undisclosed amount of money to repay the lady. I think her name is Asia Thompson. If I'm sorry, I am mispronouncing the name. If she didn't have proof, she had proof of her wearing the clothes of the items that were stolen by the fellow called Sam Brinton. She would not have been able to recover the cost, at least the cost of producing the clothing. So if anyone steals your outfit, the person might do it out of spite and perhaps destroy it, but they can never wear it in public, especially if you are the one that created it. Period, point blank. Number 2, no one can accuse you of wearing fake designer clothing. No one. When you create your own clothes, when you make your own clothing, you can never be accused of wearing fake clothing, especially if the items you use are locally sourced fabric. Like, for example, this is my design. I created this jewelry piece. I made this headscarf. This turtleneck I'm wearing, I made it. You can't look at it and say, oh, she's wearing fake Gucci. I love creating my stuff. A good example is Monica, the renowned American singer. She was accused of wearing fake Fendi when she was having this battle, a versus battle with Brandy. The attire she was wearing was Fendi, the fabric, but it was a deconstructed trench coat made into a cute outfit for her. But because it had a Fendi logo, she was accused of wearing fake Fendi. Some people went as far as calling Fendi to ask about Monica's attire. And Fendi was like, we didn't create that outfit. And she had to come out and say, no, it's a deconstructed trench coat made for me by a celebrity stylist. Yemi Alade is a well-known Nigerian singer, world-acclaimed Nigerian singer. No one has ever accused her of wearing fake designer anything because she only wears African print clothing. So that is her aesthetic. That is her brand. So we move on to number 3. When you make your own clothing, you dress in your own essence. For example, when you walk into a room, I'm African. When I walk into a room wearing my African garb, I stand out because I am dressing in my essence. This is who I am. I am proud to be African and I dress as such. If I walk into a room wearing my full African garb and the same African woman with my skin color, the same skin tone, the same, body frame and all that, if we walk into the same room and she is wearing an outfit that is not really made for a person like her in mind, if we both walk into a room, I believe I would get more of I'll feel more comfortable and I would get the more of the positive attention because look at her, she looks good. You're dressing in your essence. This is who you are. And you carry it better because you're dressing in your essence. If you're an artist, you dress like an artist. If you are a corporate lady, you work in corporate America, corporate Nigeria, you work anywhere. But if you make your own clothing, you will make it for your essence, for who you are inside. This is who I am. Even if it is an corporate attire, you will create it for you, for Maureen. You mention your name, for Sarah, for Tola. You create it for yourself. And you, even the way you walk in your outfit, you are so comfortable because you are dressing in your essence. It's an unusual reason, number 4, but for anyone who is, you make your own clothes, you're a sewer, you're an artist, look at it this way. You are blessed to live in a time like this, where if you want to create an outfit that is grand, that is beautiful, that is bold, you can't create it without shelling out, a lot of money to do it. It will not cost you an arm or leg to create an opulent attire, to create a beautiful, grand outfit. You can buy, there are beads that mimic diamonds. You can buy those beads. They cost less than $1 for like 50 pieces. If you are buying it from the manufacturer directly, you can make your grand outfit. You will look beautiful in it. This is the time. You are living in that time where you can create so much grandeur for less. So take advantage of it. You can, anything you think about, make it. You don't have to be, the lord and a lady of a castle in order to afford nice, fine outfits. You can do it for less. People create beautiful, stunning attire for less than $50. Even lesser. Unless you're looking for like big yardage. You can even take a simple cotton fabric and you embellish it, you design it, you embellish it, and you make it more stunning and more beautiful. The unusual reason to make your own clothes, number 5, is you make your own clothes and look beautiful and glamorous every day in honor of the women and men who would not have been able to do it, even if they wanted to. There was a period in the world, not just in the US, all over the world, there were women who were enslaved. There were women who were serfs. I think that serfdom is more common in the Western society. In the old days, they were serfs. These women had like maybe 1 or 2 outfits that they wear throughout the year. And then they had one good outfit, which they call their Sunday best. They wear it to church on Sundays and perhaps to weddings. These women were not even allowed to wear color purple. How dare you? And then in the US, there were women who lived in slavery. You can imagine the mummies and the house Negroes who tended to the little madame or the little mistress of the house, combing her hair and dressing her up in all finery, and you see these beautiful clothes, and some people died knowing that they can never wear such beautiful clothing. And here you are in this modern day and age where you can wear whatever you want in whatever color you want, and you are not taking advantage of it. Make clothes. Make beautiful clothes. Wear them proudly. Wear them beautifully. Walk around. Go grocery. My neighbors know me. When I dress up to go grocery shopping, I do. I love to look beautiful. I love to look different. You can create your own clothes. From there, you create your own jewelry pieces. Unique to you. You. The jewelry pieces are unique to you. These earrings, I made them like maybe 5, 6 years ago. 6 years ago, these earrings. This, I made them like, around 6 years ago too. When you create your own items, you use materials that would last, that you can wear any time. This turtleneck, I made it 9 years ago when I first came to the US. Made it 9 years. This is 9 years. I used good fabric. I went to a store, a local store, and bought good quality fabric. I have washed it. I don't even know how much I have washed this turtleneck. Create. Stop dilly-dally. Do not sit on the fence. Should I make my own clothes? Clothes are cheap and I can buy some clothes. You can make yours. There's nothing wrong with making your own clothing. Make it. Right? Go do it. Make your own clothes. Now, thank you for watching. I hope I was able to encourage you. I have lots of tutorials that would help you in your journey of creating your own clothing. You check out some of my videos. I'm sure you'll find very easy step-by-step tutorials to help you out in your sewing journey. Welcome to Sewing Your Own Clothes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.